Good afternoon. I will be walking you through the BNPL flow as a business, how to access your dashboard, how to make withdrawals, how to approve BNPLs, how to see customer information, how to see affordability. I'll be walking you through all that. So this is the first step. You go to panel.izifin.com for you to sign up into your dashboard. Panel.izifin.com. Yeah. And you basically put in your address, your email address, your sign in, and your password. Once you are done, you click on sign in, and then it takes you to your dashboard. This is your dashboard. Because you're dealing with IZIBNPL, you click launch for IZIBNPL, and it takes you straight to your BNPL dashboard. Yeah. So here you have different headings. There's a dashboard decision, active BNPL completed, customer integration settings. So your dashboard basically shows you the number of customers, the total number of customers you have. This is where you see all the analytics as a business. Moving on, you go to decisions. Whenever a customer applies, this is where you check what the affordability is like, right? You have created, when the loan was created, it was updated, the name of the customer, all these are names of the customer. You can see the monthly affordability. Usually when this is zero, is either the person cannot afford the loan or the person didn't complete the credit assessment. That's why there's zero here. So usually most of them we need to complete it if they are going to get an offer. This is the credit score, and this is 58%, 58%. This is where the one that contains the amount requested, the amount that is offered after decisioning is done. This is where you view KYC of the customer to know his face, and this is where you check the customer KYC document to be sure it matches. Make sure that when you're decisioning, this mono setup is set to true. It means that the customer has finished his application. So when you see mono setup true, there will be a button here that says decline or accept. Once that is done, you look at the information and decide whether you want to accept or decline the customer. It's also safe to know that you have the final decision to make on whether you want to give that customer a buy now, pay later or not. A quick browse through the others. Active BNPL shows the number of BNPLs that are currently active. Completed BNPL shows the number of BNPLs that have been completed. This is where you see the list of your customer, basic information about your customer, their phone number, their address. This integrations side is where you copy the link for your customer. So we will basically embed the link or a QR code of the link and put it on whatever publication for customers to have access to the service. So this is where you basically copy it. You click on copy, and then the customer triggers the URL and comes on the landing page as a customer. So this is the landing page where the customer gets to fill his information and all that. This is settings. You can upload your logo. You can set up the different conditions, your application, the BNPL text, the minimum BNPL, the maximum, the number of tenure that you want to do for your clients or customers. If you want to apply an application fee, that's also okay. You can set it up here. The monthly service fee also, you can change it here. And then you want to decide whether you want minimum initial deposit or you just want it to be zero. Make sure that all time KYC is required. Make sure that skip decisioning is also is not ticked, because if you say skip decisioning, it means we won't be able to get their credit accessibility or credit assessment basically. Also make sure that auto approve is not clicked, and then generate number. You can decide if you want to generate number or not. These are the payment options, card and wallet, and these are the primary color customization. So this is basically most of it. Always just note that at every point when you're about to make a decision, you click on decisioning and look at the information of the customer. And also you feel free to also talk to the Izifin technologies team to give you also more clarity in terms of your final decision. We can always guide, but always note that the final decision still lies with you. Thank you very much.